Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're showing you something that I've never seen before, and anytime I have the opportunity to highlight something so unusual that I've never seen it, I have to do a video. So this is a giant laurel oak tree. It looks like it's between 4 and 5 feet in diameter, but if you look at it carefully, you can see that the trunk is spiraled. Now, the maintenance crew that takes care of this yard just explained to me that over the years, this tree has been through storm after storm, and that the wind has twisted the top of this tree, which has twisted the trunk. You can see all the legs of the trunk are going in that direction. They're going from left to right. All the way around the trunk, this thing is twisted. We call it a spiral. So this is a one in a lifetime event as far as I'm concerned. But I'm here to show you things that you've never seen before, and this is something you've never seen before. A huge spiraling grandfather laurel oak. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com.